So this is absolutely crazy. YouTube is basically doubling the requirements for becoming a part of the YouTube Partner Program. At least they're doubling the watch time that is required to join the YouTube Partner Program and get paid for your video content on YouTube. Basically, that means it used to be 4,000 watch hours. It still is, but starting on February 1st, 2027, it will become 8,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. If you're growing by shorts, it currently is 10 million views in the last 90 days. And now it is going to become 20 million views in the last 90 days. Absolutely crazy. That is a huge switch for somebody if you're trying to become monetized on YouTube. Luckily, the actual subscriber count is not changing, so that's staying the same. Basically, you can still get monetized if you have 1,000 subscribers, but now you need to gain 8,000 watch hours in the last year instead of 4,000, or 20 million views in the last 90 days on shorts versus 10 million. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. And I just want to share like my perspective with you on this because I feel like a lot of people are probably going to start talking about this very soon because this was literally just announced today and I just found out about it like an hour ago and I started digging into it and doing all the research and figuring out what this means. But basically, if you're already monetized, none of this will change your status. You're still going to get paid, although they are introducing some new things that are required for you to continue to get paid starting on February 1st. Basically, you have to accept the terms of, whatever their new terms of service are that they're going to roll out with this. And then also they are implementing some actual activity requirements. So if you basically have like a dead channel that isn't getting any views, you do have to get a certain amount of views in a rolling 360-day period. It's like 1,000 watch hours within a year, so that's not too bad. Or you have to get a certain number of views on shorts, or you have to post semi-regularly, not like super regular. I think it was like at least 2 long form videos within a 90-day period or 5 shorts. So that's like nothing. That's super easy. But if you're one of those people that completely doesn't touch your channel anymore and just has it on autopilot and it's not getting any views anymore, basically, those are the people that are going to be impacted if they're already getting paid, but they're not really like they have a dead account. Because if you're not getting 1,000 watch hours within a 365-day period, then maybe you're not making very much anyways if you're monetized. So all that is to say, they're basically targeting people who are not doing it anymore, who are just cashing out on like small amounts of views, not big amounts of views. Really interesting. But if you are someone who is not quite monetized yet and you're working so closely and you're trying really hard to get to that new point, I don't want this to discourage you. Like, I want to cheer you on and remind you that this doesn't start until February 1st, 27. So you still have several months to achieve this. You can still go for it. You can still achieve the 4,000 watch hours that you need and check off that box. I would honestly encourage you to go all out and just try to make it happen, get monetized before. I will also say that when I first got monetized, I hit the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers within a week of each other. And then shortly after that, I probably did hit about 8,000 watch hours within another week after that because my channel was like skyrocketing. When I did get monetized, it was like a huge growth. Like I literally went from 200 views a day to 10,000 views a day, and it happened really fast. So I don't want this to completely discourage you feeling like it's not possible. I would just take it as a goal and tell yourself that this is your deadline. You have to get monetized before that date. And then you know what, even if you don't, keep building momentum because it's not the end of the world. You still have the chance to get monetized and achieve all the things that you want to achieve. And also as a reminder, you do not have to rely solely on getting paid from the YouTube Partner Program in order to make money from YouTube. There are so many other ways that you can still get paid. You can sell digital products, or you can do coaching, or you can do affiliate marketing, or you can do paid brand sponsorships. There are so many different things that you can do. YouTube Partner Program is nice. I will say, it's passive once you get a good amount of video content out there. But it's just a moving goalpost. If you're not there yet, I would say do everything that you can. Stay consistent. This is even more of a reason to commit to your goals right now. And then when you get to the point where you finally made it, you'll be even more proud of yourself because now you did it faster, right? And if you don't achieve it by that time, that's okay. Keep going because like I said, for me, I would emphasize that consistency and momentum are the single most important things in building a YouTube channel and making money from YouTube. So stay consistent, commit to yourself, show up for yourself and your future and your goals, believe that it's absolutely possible, and build that momentum that you need in order to achieve success. You've got this. Let me know in the comments what you think about this major change. It's wild. Did not see that coming. It's like, wow.